This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix iPhone video camera flickering issue. You can solve this issue by following these quick steps. The first solution is update your iOS version to the latest. Open Settings, General, Software Update, and if you see any update available, all you have to need just update your iOS version and then check the issue. And the second solution is change some video settings. Go to your settings, scroll down and tap on camera, tap on record video and select 1080p and 1080p HD at 30 fps and disable HDR video and then check the issue. And the last and final solution is reset all settings. Go to General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset all settings. Once done, hope this solution will fix your iPhone camera flickering issue. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.